Welcome, students, learners, viewers, to a video on car hire billing. I know it's a bit strange. You may wonder why this video, but I think this video will teach you the need for attention to details in hospitality. Let us first, this card has like the front and reverse. This is the front of it, and this is the reverse of it. This document belongs to Park Hyatt Hotels and Resort, Goa. And let me just zoom in. I think let us first cover this part. This is the chauffeur's name. Chauffeur is a uniformed driver, a trained driver. All drivers are not chauffeurs, but chauffeurs are drivers. So, if you visit any hotel, they always have chauffeur-driven vehicles. They are in proper uniform, white-colored uniform. They also wear a cap, and they are trained, very, very, very well trained. So, a chauffeur-driven car, the car number which is being given to the guest is mentioned here. Mobile number is of the driver, I'm sure. Then destination is the place where the guest is going. Opening kilometer can be found on the car's dashboard. I think it is called odometer, where you can check the speed of the car. There are meters also for the total kilometers covered by the car so far, and also the kilometers per trip. It also measures the per trip mileage. So opening kilometer is written here, and what time it was taken is mentioned here. And then finally, when the trip is over, then once again that meter is checked, that odometer is checked, and the reading of the car mileage is found and mentioned here, and what time this was taken is also mentioned here. So what this does is it provides us with two sets of information: how many kilometers the car traveled, and for how many hours the car was in the custody of, or in the ownership of the resident guest. Hospitality always there. Have a safe trip. Have a safe journey. And we see a perforation here. Perforation. This is what is perforation. So this part can be detached. So this is the customer copy. This side is the customer copy, and this is what is given to the cab driver, the chauffeur, for billing purposes. So it's quite clear: opening kilometer and time, and closing kilometer and time. Now let us go to the reverse of this card, this slip, and let us first look at this part which is detachable. It has, I think, I'll use the pen to show you. Here is tier 1, here is tier 2, and here is tier 3. So this could be the car type. The smaller cars would be, I think, tier 1, but I'm not sure. This would also be like location, destination, but I think it is car type. Smaller cars will have lesser price, and bigger cars will have uh, bigger price. And now let us move on to this part. Uh, Rate slabs here. And now look at the attention to details here. The rates are so carefully, drawn that guest has all kinds of options, and hotel also, does not miss anything. Revenue. So I'll use pen once again. Here is like whether in hours or kilometers, and like we saw here, tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3. So there are three types of rates, and then different permutations and combinations in which the car can be hired. So the first combination here is 2 hours or 20 kilometers, and then the three types of rates: 850, 1300 rupees, and 1500 rupees. Similarly, we have another I think slab, either hire for 4 hours or for 40 kilometers, whichever suits you, and the three types of rates. And then we have 8 hours or 80 kilometers, and then we have three rates here. For extra kilometers, charges are mentioned there. For extra hours, it's all the same. So for different cars, mileage is different because the fuel consumption is different. But waiting charges, I think, are same for all three types of cars. So that is a nice thing for the guest. And then we have airport drop and airport pickup. It's here, drop and pickup. And notice a slight difference. Airport pickup is more expensive. Why do you think so? The reason is that there could be a delay in the flight or the train, and so that 1 hour of waiting period is added to this charge of 800 rupees. That is what I think is the logic of charging 100 rupees extra, but here the difference is 200 rupees. Here also it's 200 rupees. And then there is a rate for, I think, after 6 p.m. So this is 8 hours, 80 kilometers, but before 6 p.m. This is 6 hours or 80 kilometers after 6 p.m. And then we have three types of charges here. Now, as you go down here, night charges from 12 p.m. to 12 midnight is rupees 200 flat. So, if the car it is hired after 6 p.m., so from 12 p.m. to 12 midnight, the user, the guest has to pay rupees 200, and if the late night charges extend after 12 midnight and goes to 6 a.m., then the guest has to pay rupees 400 extra. And then finally, it also clarifies, since rupees is not mentioned anywhere here, so they are writing it here at the end. All prices are quoted in Indian rupees and are inclusive of all taxes. So the purpose of making this video was to tell you how, to avoid any disputes with the guest. This rate card has been designed so carefully, so beautifully, so meticulously. Everything is mentioned, and guest does not have to ask any questions to anybody. It's all there. So that is, I think, great hospitality. Serving the guest in anticipation of their needs. So all their questions are already answered on this simple piece of document. And that is something which is wow. It's a very small piece of document, yet it is so comprehensive, and that is great hospitality. Thank you. That's all in this video. Any questions, please ask through the comments. Have a great day and have a very successful career.